Hello guys, today I'm going to start the numericals of a chapter 1 force part A. So the first question is the moment of force of 10 Newton about a fixed point is 5 Newton meter. Okay, calculate the distance of the point O from the line of actions. In this question we need to find the distance and the given is moment of force which is 5 Newton meter. Okay, and force is 10 Newton. We need to find the distance. Distance is question mark. So the formula is moment of force is equal to force into distance. What is moment of force? 5. Force 10 into distance d. And this is in multiplication form. We will send it to the left side. It will become in the division form is equal to d. Then 5 ones are 5 twos are 1 by 2 is equal to d, so which is 0.5 meter. Okay, therefore distance is 0.5 meter. So we got the first answer. Now our second question is a nut is opened by a wrench of length 10 centimeter. If the least force required is 5 Newton, find the moment of force needed to turn the nut. In this, the length is given, which is distance, which 10 centimeter, and force is given, force is equal to 5 Newton. In this, we need to find the moment of force. Okay, first this 10 centimeter we should convert it into meter. So 10 by 100, which is 0.1 meter. So this 0 and this 0 will cut. Then 0.1 meter. Now moment of force is equal to force into distance. How much is the force? Force is 5 Newton into d is 0.1 meter, which will be 0.5 Newton meter. So we also got the second answer. Now we are doing the third one. Now the third question is a wheel of diameter 2 meter is shown in the figure, which is in the question. With axle at O, a force of 2 Newton is applied at B in the direction shown in the figure. Calculate the moment of force about the center O and point A. Okay, now the figure is, this is a circle, then point, this is O, center, this is A, and this is B. It moved towards you clockwise, and this is also clockwise. Okay, now the force acts at a point is 2 Newton, which is at the diameter. 2 meter is the diameter, the force is 2 Newton. Now the solution is diameter is equal to 2 meter. Okay, and the radius will be the d by 2, 2 by 2, which is 2 ones are 2 ones are 1 meter, and the force is 2 Newton. So first is he said to find center at O, moment of force about center at O. So we are taking moment of force at O, which is 2 Newton into 1 meter, because now from B to A it is 2 meter. Okay, so this is the diameter, but half is 1 meter, half is 1 meter, which is the radius. So from O to B it is 1, so we are taking 1 meter. So 2 Newton into 1 meter will be 2 Newton meter. And the second one is moment of force about or at A is equals to 2 Newton into 2 meter, which is the distance from B to A is 2 meter. So we are taking the distance as 2 meter, which is equal to 4 Newton meter. So we got the answer of third also. So now we are doing the fourth one. The fourth question is the diagram in figure shows two forces, which is F1 5 Newton and F2 3 Newton acting at point A and B of a rod pivoted at a point O, such that OA is 2 meter and OB is 4 meter. And the first thing we need to find is moment of force F1 at O and moment of force F2 at O. Total moment of forces about O. So this is the diagram. This is F1 5 Newton, this is F2 3 Newton, this is D1 which is 2 meter, D2 4 meter. Okay, I will write here D2, D1, F1, F2. So first we need to find moment of force F1 at O. So we are taking 5 Newton into 2 meter, which is 10 Newton meter. and this is anti-clockwise, okay, because it is moving towards the left hand side. Anti-clockwise. And this was the first bit. The second bit, moment of F2 at O, which is 3 Newton into 4 meter, which will be 12, 4 3s are 12, 12 Newton meter, and this is clockwise, okay. And the third thing, we need to find total moment of forces about O. So total moment of forces we should calculate by clockwise minus anti-clockwise moments, okay. So our clockwise moment is 12 Newton meter, so we will write 12 minus anti-clockwise is 10, which is 2 Newton meter, okay. So we got the fourth answer also. So now our fifth question is the two forces, each of magnitude 10 Newton. What is the first force is 10 Newton, act vertically downwards. We have two forces and the two forces are equal, which is 10 Newton, act vertically downwards. One force is vertically downwards and one is upwards, okay, respectively on the two ends of a uniform rod. The distance is of 4 meter, which is pivoted at its midpoint as shown in the figure. Determine the magnitude of resultant moment of forces about O. Here in this question also we need to find the moment of force. So this is the diagram in which one force is upward and one force is downward. From point A to point B, it's 4 meter. So from A to O, it will be 2 meter, and from O to B, it will be 2 meter, okay. Then now, moment of force, solution, moment of force plus moment of force, because in this we are finding the magnitude of the two forces. So first only we are adding it, moment of force. Then moment of force is F into D plus F into D. Our force 1 is 10 Newton into D is 2 meter, plus our force 2 is also 10 Newton into 2 meter. So this is 20 Newton meter plus 20 Newton meter, which will be 40 Newton meter, okay. So this is the answer, fifth answer. So now our sixth question is, figure shows two forces, each 10 Newton, acting at the point A and B. So this is first force and the second force is at B, which is 10 Newton also. And separation of 50 centimeter. The distance is 50 centimeter in opposite direction, because this is moving upwards and this is downwards in opposite direction. Calculate moment of force of two forces, first at point A and then point B and then point O. So first we are converting the distance 50 centimeter into meter. So 50 divided by 100, which will be 0.5 meter. Then moment of force at O is, force is 10 Newton and the distance is 0.5. So we are multiplying 5 Newton meter clockwise. And then moment of force at B, the distance is 0.5 meter and the Newton is 10. So 10 into 0.5, which will be 5 Newton meter clockwise. And then moment of force at O. So this is a tricky one. First we need to take force 10 Newton into, but in this the distance should be taken as 25, because A to O the distance is half of the 50 centimeter, so it will be 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter. Then plus, again we should take O to B, so 10 Newton into 25 centimeter. So then 10 we should take common, 10 25 plus 25, okay. Now 10 25 plus 25 is braces, means into 25 plus 25 50 centimeter. Now this is in centimeter, so we should convert it into meter. 10 into 50 by 100. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0. Then this will be 5 Newton meter, and this is also clockwise. Okay, so we got the sixth answer also. Now we are doing the seventh one. Now the seventh question is, a steering wheel of diameter 0.5 meter is rotated anti-clockwise by applying two forces, each of 5 Newton. So the distance is 0.5 meter and the force is 5 Newton, and F1 and F2, which is two forces, are equal. Draw a diagram. In this we need to draw a diagram to show the application of forces, and we need to calculate the moment of couple, which is also known as moment of force. Okay, so the diagram is, this is a circle. diameter of 0.5 meter, and 2 forces anti-clockwise, rotated anti-clockwise. This anti-clockwise as it will turn to your left hand side, which is 5 Newton, and this which will be turned to your, this will also turn inward, so this is also anti-clockwise, which is also 5 Newton. So the diameter is, and we will write here, diameter is 0.5 meter. So radius is equal to 0.5 by 2, okay, which is 0.25 meter. And now force is given, which is 5 Newton, and we need to find moment of couple. And before video I said you the definition of moment of couple, which is 5 Newton force into displacement 0.5 meter. So the answer will be 2.5 Newton meter. So we got the seventh answer also. So now till here only. In the next video we will continue the numericals, and thanks for watching, and just share this video, like and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.